Credit and debt.
Have you ever heard the words buy now, pay later? If you have not till now, you will hear it one day. As the name suggests, you can buy against a credit wherein you aren't paying immediately for the goods or services. That is, the money doesn't immediately get debited from your account. It will get debited on a future date. This is used mostly when you need something at a time when you do not have the money to buy it, but you know you will have the money in the future. So we go for credit instead of debit. Basically, as you can clearly see, credit is nothing but a shorter version of borrowing or debt. You know credit cards and debit cards. Your parents must be owning at least one or both of them. While the debit card is what helps you withdraw cash from an automatic bank telling machine, popularly known as ATM, you will seldom see people withdrawing cash using credit card. As the name suggests, using debit card, you pay for something and the cash immediately gets debited from your account and it is reflected in your account balance and statements. If you have the money in the account, then it's fine. Or else if you use debit card but don't have the money, your transaction or payment will fail. For credit cards, it isn't the same though. Even when you don't have the money, your payment will still be received by the person to whom you are paying, as long as you don't exceed the credit limit on your card. Also, no money is debited from your account immediately and is not reflected in your account statement but only in your credit card statement. Here, your credit card registered bank is paying on your behalf and you have to pay the bank back at a future date and with additional interest if you fail to pay back within the set date. It is borrowing after all. As you can see, banks earn this interest as income and so banks love to issue customers credit cards. Most people who use credit cards do not make timely payments. If you have figured out by now, using credit card to withdraw cash from ATM will cost you extra interest because it will be more like borrowing cash from the bank rather than withdrawing from your own deposit.